VGC International College's Diploma in Business Communication is taught at our Granville Campus, located in Vancouver's downtown business district. With students coming from all over the world, this is an excellent setting to start building your international business network. The Diploma in Business Communications is a 6-month program and consists of 6 intensive modules. These modules focus our students on the training that they need to be effective in a busy international work environment. Business presentations and practices, applied leadership in the workplace, communication for customer satisfaction and excellence, practical business calculations, business communication essentials, and introduction to Canadian business management. These 6 modules can be taken separately as individual 4-week certificate courses. All modules teach key strategies for communication and success, whether it's in presentations, daily communication, expectations in a Canadian or international work setting. We pride ourselves in ensuring our graduates are ready to be successful in any work environment. The Business Communications Diploma gives you the skills you need for life. For more information on fees, entry requirements, and start dates, contact business@vgc.ca or check us out at www.vgc.ca. VGC, your future starts here.